Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add a song in queue in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Spotify app. So here it is. Now we are in home. Let's go to your library. So let's click on this. Now you can open any artist icon. Now a song is playing now. Now to play another song after this, you need to add this on the queue. So let's tap on these three dots in the right and click on add to queue. So now this song is added to queue. You can do the same with any song you want. Let's tap on this and click on add to queue. So this is it. This is how you can add any song in a queue in Spotify. So I'm sure you can do this yourself now. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.